What's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Yan, and in this episode we shall be looking at part 2 of our line command lesson. Let's jump into it. Here we are in Autocad. Activate your line command. I need to do a line of 500 millimeters long but inclined at 45 degrees. Specify your first point, give direction, but make sure that your color tracking is on. Now I'll type 500, then to switch from dimension to degrees, press tab and type 45. 45 added the degrees, press enter and enter again. That is our line inclined at 45 degrees and 500 millimeters long. So I needed to add another line from there to the other end at 45 degrees. Type line, click there and give direction. I'll type 500 millimeters. By mathematics it is 135. Press it again. So that is our another line. Let's type L, enter, give this line, we need it at 45 degrees. If we follow the first procedure, you see that you nearer get it, but it is not that much. Let's delete this. Activate line. If I'm to follow that and try to snap it, it is not that as much. So please use 500, tab 45. Then you can close up there. So that is the way we have drawn inclined lines, and they have units, they have the right angles, and you can go ahead to sample on how you personally you can approach. There are very many methods and I will be dropping as many as possible. That is the one for starters and the one that you can easily approach this content. So thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.